was something that cleared blockages in our head and mental pillars that a person has, and we feel that we can do anything right now after this 2-day amazing session with Ashish.
It was very useful and very informative, and it was just the correct platform for us.
And this workshop is really very enlightening. It's very informative, very enthusiastic. The workshop is really awesome.
Right, we have learned so many things in these 2 days, and it is going to be added in our career life.
The kind of attitude, energy, positivity we need, I think we achieved that in the past two days experience which we had from this workshop.
And he has pumped up with a lot of energy, and now we are going to consider each day as day one. We are very, very proud that we got him as our mentor, as enthusiast who could, trigger something very, very good in us.
The session was amazing. It gave us a great chance to bond with everyone, and also it was very energetic. For Ashish, the only thing I have to say is his passion, his energy, the work he's doing is amazing. It's great. It's really life-changing.
These 2 days, the most beautiful day of my life, as I have enjoyed this very lot.
It was one of the best workshops I have ever seen.
These past 2 days have been really fantastic. I have learned a lot.
And if I had to describe this 2 days workshop in one word, then it was awesome.
And thank you so much for feeling so much of energy, positivity, and so much of enthusiasm within us. I'm looking forward to work and give my best to this organization.
This session was very much needed for me, because these were the first 2 days in the organization, and this will help me a lot in the long run, because I've learned so many things. He has given us so much to learn, and all thanks to Ashish sir and the whole team for giving us this wonderful workshop, so that we can improve ourselves, we can implement them in our life and further. And I loved everything about the section. It was so full of energy, enthusiasm, knowledge and fun. I loved everything. I learned many things, and Ashish is doing great.
The workshop that was organized here, that was great, extremely fantastic and full of energetic and pumped up.
This workshop was pretty amazing. The last 2 days were full of fun and motivating talks. Especially, this is an awesome experience.
Initially, we used to think that workshop means it will be going very boring and not less interactive. But this session with Ashish Singh sir was really amazing, and the expectation level was or above the level.
The past 2 days has been spectacular, and my message to Ashish is that he has truly changed my life in these 2 past days, and I have some great experiences which I will surely carry forward, and wish him all the very best.
Ashish, I am going to salute, man. I am the reserve kind of type, so this workshop made me socialize with everyone. Literally, thank you for everything.